Hello, my name is Katie, coming to you from Custom Bookbinding Company. And today I'm going to show you how you can use our printable and e-cards created by Hominy Prints. So if you go here to bookbind.net, greeting cards, new printable and e-cards, you will see all of our different occasions that you can purchase printable and e-cards for. So for today's tutorial, I will select the Pioneering Congratulations. You can choose to purchase just the printable and the non-editable e-card, or you can choose our bundle, which in addition to those two, also includes an editable e-card. So I will select this one. Now after you've gone ahead and placed your order, you'll receive an email with all of your downloadable files. You can also access your downloadable files from your account through bookbind.net. So I will show you how to do that today. So after you've placed your order, simply log into your account. Go to the View Details next to the order that you just purchased. And here you will find your downloadable files. So click here to download. And for the bundle, you will receive 4 different files. So here we have our bundle instructions. This will give you a breakdown, step by step, what to do for each type of file, for the printable card, the e-card, and the editable e-card. So let's go ahead and start with our printable card. So with our printable card, you simply need to download it, and then from whatever device you're using, you will want to print it. After you've printed it, you can simply cut it out along the lines and then use it just like you would any other physical card. You can write your message inside and then mail it to your recipient. Now for the e-card, once you download that, you will see that it opens up a short video with your non-editable e-card. So from your device, you can simply choose to email it or to send it in a message to your recipient. So for example, if I want to send it as an iMessage, I can go here and type in my recipient's email or their phone number, and then I can also add a personalized message right inside my text or my email. So, dear friend, congratulations. We love you so much. From your friend. And then I can send it. Now with our final option, the editable e-card, once you download it, you will see that you have a link to access it. So once you click here, it will take you to canva.com. Now Canva is a very user-friendly website or app which you can create graphics and edit. So once you go here, you will select the button that says Use Template for New Design. Now you will have to create an account with Canva. So for the first time, they may just send you a code to use. Here we go. And once you've logged in, you will come to a screen like this. It will also give you the option if you want to work from the app or simply from your browser. So today we'll work from the browser. So from this page, you can get as creative as you'd like. In the instructions that I showed you previously, you will notice there's also a link for beginners on how to use Canva if you'd like more information for that. So from that link, you'll be able to see all kinds of different things you can do. You can change the graphics, you can change the fonts, you can change different elements of the video. But if that's not what you're looking to do, if you just want to add your message, you can also do that. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. If we click here where it says add your message and highlight the text, then I can add my personalized message. Dear friend, congratulations. We love you so much. Love your friend. And then I can adjust it a little bit here and here. And then I can center it on the page. And that's all we're going to do for this tutorial. So from there, we want to go to the share button and download. And we want to make sure that it's in the MP4 video file type. Now, Canva has recently started charging for their premium features. So to download this, we will need to either try Canva Pro for free, or we can do a one-time purchase. So it is $8 at this point in time for a one-time purchase to use these features. Or if we try the Canva Pro for free, you can try it free for 30 days so that you can simply use this design and then cancel your Canva account, your Canva Pro account. Or if you find that you really like Canva and want to keep using it for your own purposes, you can also do that. So now once we've downloaded that file, it will look something like this. Similar to our original e-card, but you will now see that once it plays, it will include your personalized message right inside of it that you added. And then we'll follow the same steps as the e-card and simply share it to an email or to a message and send it to your recipient.